Welcome friends. Now we came to the finishing part of the blouse. I have attached the sleeve portions here, and now we are going to make the stitches, side stitches. For that you take the blouse inside out like this. First we have to join the sleeve. It's very important part. Listen carefully. Now I am going to take the breadth of the sleeve. So I have to mark it. For that we need the stitched blouse. Take inside out, that's very important. While you are taking the measurements, you have to measure in the inside part. So keep the sleeves at the top of the blouse and make a mark that where we have to put the stitches. So now I'm marking here, and the stitches comes to, this is the armhole portion, so the stitches has to come like this. It's a cross. It should be in the slanting line. I'll put a straight line. After that, coming to the bottom, now you can see this is the back part. So you can also take the back part in your stitched blouse. So this is the stitches. So back stitch we have made here. Keep the stitch over that. So listen carefully that I am keeping the stitch with this stitch where I have put it in the stitched blouse. Then, and this is the side stitch. This is from the arm portion. So make a mark here. So I am explaining again. This is the back stitch, and please overlap this stitch with our back stitch, and in your right you will be having your side stitch. Make a mark, and from the armhole I have already made a armhole. From that make a slanting mark, the straight line. So in this line I am going to make the stitches. So after making this stitch, so this is the correct marking, this is the correct measurement of my blouse. After that stitching in this line, you can make 2 or 3 stitches with the regular intervals, one in this and one in this. This is for our future. In future, if you become fat, you can just take this stitch out and make this stitch permanent. So for that we are going to make 2 to 3 stitches in the regular intervals. So it is very important that to make 2 to 3 stitches. Every blouse will be having the 2 to 3 stitches. Even this you can see here. In this we have 1, 2 and 3. So here we have 3 stitches. So likewise we are going to make 3 stitches here with the same intervals. That is very important. I am marking here. So after making the stitches, this will be our extra portion. If you need, you can make another stitches also. So in the left of the cloth, you can just cut it out. So I'll make the stitch, then I'll show you how I finish the blouse. That's the finishing part. So after this, you can stitch the hooks And now the blouse is ready for your wearing. Now I have made 3 stitches, so in the straight line. So these are the extra portions, extra cloth, so it's unnecessary for this place, so I am cutting this. I can see this will be in the straight line. So this stitches I have made in the next side also, so you can see the extra cloths, so I can take it off. Now I have finished the blouse. Let's show you how it comes. So I have explained all the portions, so how to cut the blouse, how to cut the front portion, making the dots, and how to make the patti part and sleeve part and neckline. So all you can see in my videos. So if you have any doubt, just forward a message to me. So this is the back portion. So you can see that how I have hemmed the neckline. So don't forget to forward your doubts. If you like this video, please subscribe. Keep in touch always.